Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel as Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this simple typographical manipulation using corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe, so each time I post content about corelDRAW you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can make this typographical manipulation using your corelDRAW. So let's First step to take is to go to your toolbar right here, click on import icon, or you press Ctrl I on your keyboard. It's going to open up this way. Then you have to look for the image from your PC. Then you have to click on import. Then you bring the picture into the workspace, just like this. Next thing you need to do is to rotate from the home tab right here, rotate to mirror vertical. Then you are good to go. So next thing you need to do is to go to your toolbar again and make sure this time around you have to choose your shape tools. Having choose your shape tools, this allow you to select from this side, and with your arrow key you can make some move. So this allow you to cut some unnecessary area. Then you can select all these points also. Then with your backward arrow key, then you are good to go this way. Then you can as well from the top, from the bottom, you select all this. Then you have to use your forward arrow key just to adjust it to the top. So finally, you have to select all at the top, and your downward arrow key, just take it down a little bit. Then you can press spacebar and then press P to centralize. Next thing you need to do is to increase the size of the picture. This depends on how you want the manipulation to look like. Okay, next thing you want to do right here, if you are satisfied with your shape, next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl C. This allow you to make a copy of this particular picture. Okay, so having make a copy, then the next thing you need to do is to right click on the image and then make sure you choose lock. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to go to your toolbar. This time around you have to select your type tools. So for you to do that, you just have to come to the type tools here and select your type tools. Then you can type in your words. So Alt and Spice. Okay, so you can go to the home tab right here and change your font style. So I'm using this particular font style right here. Then you can come to the font size. So right here, I'm trying to use 50. Just press enter key. So you are going to have a stuff like this. So we can take it in one side. Next thing you need to do is to fall back to the toolbar, and then this time around you have to look for your rectangle shape right here. Select your rectangle shape. So having select your rectangle shape, you just have to draw your rectangle all over the area that you would like to cover. Okay, next thing you need to do is to right click on your rectangle. So when you right click, you have to look for convert to curve. So having converted to curve, next thing you need to do is to go to your toolbar. This time around you have to choose your shape tools. So having choose your shape tools, then you can come to the center point, right click on it and make sure you choose convert to curve. The next thing you need to do is to drag the handle from the top to the bottom. You just have to adjust everything based on what exactly you are looking for. You can select this node right here. With your downward arrow key, you can easily take it down a little bit. So just to make sure you adjust it based on the shape of the image. Okay. So you can come to the handle right here, adjust this handle also.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Once you have satisfied with the curve, the next thing you need to do is to fall back to the type tools, type right here, and make sure you click here to remove fill. Come to the color, right click on the black color. This allows you to have a color stroke. Now we need to blend this picture, this text with the shape. So for you to do that, you just have to go to your home or to the home tab right here. Go to window. Then from window, you have to look for Docker. Then from Docker, you have to come down below here and look for effects. From effects, you have to look for envelope right here. So envelope property is going to appear. Then from this point here, make sure you click on create from, and you have to click here. This allows everything to curve based on your choice. Next thing you need to do is to snap the curve text into the shape right here. So you can also make proper adjustments. Okay, so you can press Ctrl plus to zoom out. So for you to make a proper adjustment, you just have to go back to your shape tools right here. So select your shape tools and then start to make proper adjustments.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these dreams I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up that.
So once you're able to blend the text with the shape, next thing you need to do is to come here and make sure you close the effects tab. The next thing you need to do is to select the shape and press the delete key on your keyboard. So next thing you need to do is to select the picture, right click on the picture and make sure you unlock. Having unlocked the picture, the next thing you need to do is to select your text. Having selected your text, you have to press shift key on your keyboard and select your picture. So you're going to have window like this. At this point here, you need to make sure you choose intersect. Having choose your intersect, you have to select the stroke now and press the delete key on your keyboard. Then you have to fall back to the image. So when you select on the image, let me press Ctrl minus. So when you select on the image, then you have to go to your tools bar right here and make sure you choose your shape tools. So having choose your shape tools, you can select from this side here, and with your backward arrow key, you just have to tap to the back this way. Then at this point here, you need to select only this portal node this way, and you have to drag. Then you have to select the top node and drag in. So you select the bottom node and drag in this way. Then the top node, drag. The next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl V to paste the second duplicate. Then you have to go back to your shape tools again, select your shape tool, and then select this node and drag. Then you have to select this bottom node now and drag in. Then select the top node. Select the top node and drag out. And select the bottom node, drag in. So once you are able to satisfy with everything you need to do, so it's as simple as that. All you have to do is to select all and press Ctrl J to group. You can press Shift key and drag. This allows you to resize the shape, and press P to centralize. So guys, this is how you can create a typographical manipulation in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.